Alright, welcome to the channel guys. As you could see, today in front of us is the all new Tata Tigor in flashy eye-catching royal blue color. So in this video I'll be giving a quick walk around of this car. So let me start the video from the front side of the car. So as you could see at the bumper grill, it has got a dual style design language. At the left side you have got a Tata style tri-arrow motif design, and on the right side it has small bits of cube finished in chromes. And this is the headlamp. One is projector and one is halogen headlamp. So one is for high beam and one is for low beam. So this is how the headlamp setup looks like with chrome finishing all over, and you can also see it has got a halogen indicator, and down below here is the fog lamp with chrome finishing all over it. So this is how the fog lamps look like, and there is also chrome element at the bumper, and this is how the bumper cladding looks like, which looks very sporty. And again, as I said, the grille and the humanity line is finished fully in chrome, so it covers the whole hood. As you could see, the humanity line starts from this end of the headlamp and goes all the way up to that end of the headlamp. So the full line is finished in chrome, which looks beautiful on this car. So there is a chrome finishing and a piano black finishing on the headlamp. So these are the alloy wheel with disc brake, and this is the ORVM with indicators integrated on it. So this is how the ORVM looks like, and also there is chrome finishing which covers both of the doors. So the car looks very sporty and modern. So this is how the car looks from the rear side. So it has got a big chrome element on the boot with Tata logo right at the middle. So this is the chrome element, and also the Tigor branding is in chrome. So there is a lot of chrome on this car. So these are the tail light, and this is how the reflector looks like. It has also got a full high mounted stop lamp with shark fin antenna. As you could see, this is how the shark fin antenna of this car looks like, which is very sporty. And let me show you how the passenger rear side looks like. So this is how the door looks with dual tone finishing on it, and also, as I said, there is a lot of chrome on this car. The door handles are finished in chrome, so there is a small space for. So let me quickly get in. So the door shuts with the proper thud, and so this is the handrest with two cup holders. So let me quickly close this, and there is a handle, no hook, and this is how the door looks like. And there is a small storage space as well as 12-volt socket, and this is how the dashboard of the car looks like from the rear. There is a small light and handle. As I said, there is a small storage space here and a 12-volt socket. So let me show you how the car looks from the driver's point of view. So there is request sensor and a chrome finishing at the door handle. So this is how the dual tone finishing door looks like, and chrome finished door handle, all the power window controls, and there is a space for water bottle, magazine, and a small space to keep your umbrella. So let me get inside. So this is to control the ORVM and the AC vents. So there is a small storage space here, and this is how the steering wheel looks like with all the media button controls and the power controls. So this is how the dashboard looks like with soft touch material all over it, and hazard light, and a 5-speed gearbox. So there is a USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt socket, so you can also keep your phone here. So there are two cup holders. So yeah guys, this was a short walk around video about Tata Tigor. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.